So you can Google the rains list. There's raining again. It's disclosed in the rains list how they wear claws to claw their victims, human hunting pies, human hunting, feasting, blood drinking. Again, Evergreen Toxic Crown Corporation, Saxo Burn Goffer, Windsor SS. One's got Nazis on it, plenty of knobs and Nazis. Their High Royal Blue Crime, New Year's Day Fine, September Blue Murder. Certainly not mine, not me leaving the body of a 17-year-old sex trafficked girl on the Royal Sandringham Estate, Killenfields. Late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. See Prince Harry the Spare for details, that is the word. Came off the Royal Sandringham Estate, Killenfields, loud and clear. And Steve Wright has just been sentenced for the murder of Victoria Hall, a 17-year-old girl who was murdered, found naked in a ditch dating back to 1999. That one's got Wizard on it and 55. No Black Wizard, Sandringham serial killer. Terrorist, this shooter here, really don't think so. And 55 Victoria Road, this Norfolk UK, where I did run a hostel for homeless young men, was never 25 Cromwell Street. No bodies bricked into the walls, under the floors or buried in the garden. Certainly wasn't running a Charles Manson cult. Can see Simon Bailey Don't Cry and his blonde host plainclothes lover, not true detective. Number 10 on that one, you can see Keir Starmer and the Labour loonies for details. And no Clockwork Orange, Norwich train station. Mountain bike rapist here. Again, I was on a woman's black Dutchy bike. Not a mountain bike, but all mixed into the black shroud of Sandringham, just to set me up further. That's Prince William there now. Just out and about in disc, getting some more monster lies, bogus diagnosis, all to cover up their High Royal Blue Crime, New Year's Day Fine, September Blue Murder. Certainly not mine. See Prince Harry the Spare for details. And again, Evergreen Toxic Crown Corporation, Saxo Burn Goffer, Windsor SS. So you can see Prince Harry Potter, Prince of Darkness, E.T. Hybrid Host, Red Dragons. So plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates, certainly not mine.